Hey, Jeremy James Stewart here, your retirement guy. Let's quickly break down your recent pension and retirement review.
We dove deep into your latest numbers to see exactly where you stand right now.
First up, we calculated your 4 pillars of retirement income. We mapped out your whole financial foundation.
But here's the catch. Comparing what you need versus what you actually have reveals a big income gap.
Here's the brutal truth. If we skip our strategy zoom, absolutely nothing changes for your future.
And you know what? That massive gap between your haves and needs definitely won't fix itself.
Actually, stuff like inflation, taxes, and crazy market volatility, they're basically guaranteed to make it worse.
But hey, don't panic. Our upcoming Strategy Zoom is exactly where we roll up our sleeves and fix it.
We're talking real options and actual numbers to completely lock in your future income strategy.
Zero pressure, I promise. You just review the options and choose what makes sense for you.
Before we chat, please send over any missing info, your top concerns, priority number 1, and account statements.
Knocking out that quick homework is exactly how I design your perfect, custom retirement plan.
So are you ready to finally fix your future? Awesome. I'll see you on the Zoom.